Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these pickleball paddles from Amicoson. So this is going to come with 4 paddles and 8 pickleball balls. Say that 20 times fast. All right, so here we go. Recently got a pickleball net and everything. It's a lot of fun. The kids enjoy it. It's like tennis, only a little more slower paced, I guess. So in this here, we have these 4. Here's 2 of these, and these are nice red, white, and blue, very patriotic. The handles, they got a good grip on there. It doesn't feel, it feels like your hand's not going to fall off of there. Also kind of important, a lanyard on there. That way, if you do lose grip on this, you don't want to throw these. These are kind of hard. You don't want to throw and hit somebody with these. So it's nice to have this on there as well. So, you know, just for safety measures, you can kind of just wrap it around so it's not going to come flying off your hand, and you can use it like normal. So I like that idea that has these on there. Good grip, nice nice paint on here. It looks really cool. Here's the other one. So you got the red handle on that one. Got our official pickleballs here, 8 of them. You know, they can fly over the neighbor's fence or whatever, get lost, maybe get run over by a car, get smashed. So we got 8 of these. These are really cool. You can almost use these for like baseball practice too, like wiffle balls or whatever. So that's pretty cool. All right, here we go. And we got 2 more. Some will probably get their favorite one with whatever color grip they like. But these feel real good in the hand. Feel nice and sturdy. I like the colors. They look really, really cool with the stars and stripes on there. And finally, it comes with a nice little carry bag here. We can simply put all our stuff right in there, and we can go carry this around easily and play some pickleball. So that just closes up just like that. So we can actually just put everything in there. I want to take this in the backyard and test these out. But just like that, just put them in here nice and easy. And then we can get all our pickleballs in there as well. 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Get in there and close that up with our drawstring. And we are ready to go. Nice and convenient. We can hang this up on a wall or something and keep that stowed away. Just easy to carry. I like that it came with a bag. That's kind of handy. So I'm going to take this outside, get the boys ready, and play a couple rounds of pickleball. Time for some pickleball. All right. Got our little backyard, one-on-one court set up here in the backyard. Amicoson pickleball paddles. Let's play pickleball. Ready to lose?
Dude, are you ready to lose?
Look at this. Get my lanyard on here.
All right.
Oh!
Get your balls right there.
What happened?
All right, mister.
Ow, that's out.
Okay.
Let's go.
Warm up.
Oh, you got lucky, son.
What happened? All right.
Oh,
in the rock.
I was almost in.
In the rock.
These paddles are pretty comfy. This little
They got nice grips on them.
Look at the backspin on that. No way.
It totally hit a rock.
Couldn't get there in time.
Totally hit a rock right there.
The backspin.
Oh,
dude, that
there's nothing you could
that
have
one hit a
done.
rock there.
Nothing you. All right.
Your serve.
Oh, I know.
Buggy, huh, buddy? In. Ooh. Oh! Hey, wait, what?
It bounced off the ground still.
Yeah. It was close.
Not bad.
What is it?
Oh, God himself.
I tried
God
to put some wicked
himself.
backspin on that one.
Give me that ball back. Give me that ball back.
That's in, that's in. Oh!
If we had smooth ground, it works so much better.
Yeah!
Dang it, I should have let it fly.
Should let that one go.
Should have let that one go. Man,
Okay,
that,
reserve.
that doesn't count.
Reserve. Nice high serve there. Backspin, perfect.
Oh, he's gone. Nothing he can do.
Game point. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, he's done.
Buggy. Wait. Let's get a close up on the paddles.
Here's the paddles.
As always.
Got nice grips on there.
Got the grippage on there. No thought that this was gonna slip out of my hand. The extra balls is nice. Comes with the 8-pack, so we're not gonna lose any. If we do lose some, we got extras. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.